Doctors can easily access Primera Dental clinics by signing up and registering themselves and then signing in from here. After that, doctor have to enter their email or phone number and password. For example, doctor@gmail.com and then sign in. After signing in, doctors can see their dashboard. In the dashboard, they can see there are certain subcategories such as appointments, my patient, schedule timings, calendar, invoice, accounts, reviews, messages, and much more. In the dashboard sections, doctors can easily see total number of patients available and total appointments available till today. Also, doctors can see the patient's name, appointment date and time, and appointment time. In the patient section, doctor can easily see patient's profile and their phone number. And by clicking it, he or she can definitely see the various types of subcategories such as patient's appointments, prescriptions, medical records, and billings. In the appointment section, doctors can see the patient's appointment date and the doctors they are appointed with. In this section, doctors can provide prescription to the patient by clicking here. In this section, doctors have to enter the name of the drug they're prescribing, such as amoxicillin, quantity 1, type before food, 5 days, time morning, afternoon, and night. And then clicking here and signing. And then save. Doctors can keep track of the medical records by entering their medical records in this section, and they can add any medical records by clicking here. After it, a drop-down box will come up. In this, the doctor have to choose a file and enter the description over here. In the billing section, doctors can keep track of their bills by adding here and then writing the type of treatment they have done, such as glass ionomer, cement restoration, and then the amount of it, and then signing here, and then save it here. In the schedule timings, doctors can schedule their meetings with their patients whenever they need. Doctors then can add a slot by clicking here and by selecting the start time and end time and booking system, whether it's online and clinic, and then adding here. Calendar is an amazing feature which will help the doctors to note any important appointment with their patients. In the invoice section, after the treatment is done, doctors can see their payments done by the patients. Also, doctors can see the total payment done by the patients and their bank details in this section, accounts. In the messages section, doctors can easily contact their patients with the help of video calling, which will help the patient to get the treatment sitting at home in the time of COVID-19. In the profile section, doctors can easily upload their profile picture by clicking here and enter their name and email address and phone numbers. In the biography section, doctors can enter their biography. In clinic section, they can enter their clinic name and they can also drag and drop a file of the clinic image. Also, they can enter their clinic address over here. In the contact details, they can enter their address, such as address, line 1, country, city, state, and postal code. In the services section, doctors can enter the services they are providing, such as dental fillings, teeth whitening, and much more. And also they can enter the specialization they have undergone, such as prosthodontics, endodontics, periodontics, orthodontics, and oral maxillofacial surgery. Doctors can enter their qualification in this section, such as if they have undergone BDS, they can enter it here. If they have undergone MDS, they can enter it here, and the college they have passed out from, and also the year from they have passed out. In this section, doctors can enter the experience, the awards they have won, their membership, and their registration number. Doctors can also do blogging here by adding any blog by clicking here and then entering it. Doctors can also share the links of the social media they are at, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and YouTube.